Yo, what's going on, guys? It is time for another reaction video, and this is going to be another one from Aurora. But before I jump into it, I just wanted to apologize. I did a reaction to Aurora Runaway, which was my first time reacting to her. And it's weird because the video I recorded and uploaded to YouTube was perfect. There were no audio issues, but for some reason, I guess in the upload process onto YouTube, it messed up the audio. A matter of fact, that same week, I had like 2 or 3 different videos that had messed up audio. So I don't know what was going on, if it was some sort of glitch with YouTube or what's up with that. But yeah, so for those of you who still got through the distorted audio and took the time to leave comments, I greatly appreciate it. Hopefully I don't have those types of issues again moving forward, and I don't have anything wrong with this one once it uploads. So this is my second reaction to Aurora. This one is titled Winter Bird, and let's get straight into it.
Walking in my sleep, like the naked trees. Will they wake up again? Do they sleep? Do they dream? Feel it as the wind strokes my skin. I am moved by the chill. Hear the winter birds sing.
Before it starts to go into the, because I could hear the build up already visually, it's just super cool. One thing I really liked about the other Aurora video that I reacted to so far is just the cinematic feel it had. You can tell it's very professionally done. And this one already visually just looks really interesting. I don't know what it's going to lead to yet. But yeah, given the title Winter Bird, obviously it looks like she's kind of like in a cocoon or a nest, or maybe even an egg. I don't know yet. But it's just really cool. And her voice is just beautiful. So I'm going to keep on going. I rolled it back just a few seconds so I can hear that build up and let it continue from there.
Hear the winter birds sing. My tears are always frozen. I can't see the air I breathe. Now my fingers painting pictures on the glass in front of me. Lay me by the frozen river where the boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was to feel alive.
I really like the way they're using these drones to kind of like wrap her up in a cocoon with, I'm guessing that's probably like toilet paper or something like that. My assumption is that they've probably got these drones programmed because somebody who owns 3 drones, and I've had them for a number of years now, even though I feel like I'm a pretty good pilot, to run 3 of them consecutively in circles to wrap up this this thing that she's in, I know that would be challenging. I know that that's not really necessarily as much about the music itself, but I always like to comment on everything that kind of catches my attention. So this is a really cool video so far, and I'm enjoying the lyrics as well.
How it was to feel alive. Silent days, violet shades. We are dancing again in a dream by the lake. My tears are always frozen.
love how they always do hide-in shots of her face. She's got a very like majestic look to her, and her eyes just always wide-eyed and like piercing. You can see straight in, like it's like you can see straight into her soul. So I love the way that they leverage the visuals of not just the setting, but also herself. I'm really enjoying this, and I'm glad that she has a huge music library on YouTube, because as long as I don't get copyright strikes of any kind, I'm going to continue reacting to her, because this is only my second track by her so far, and I'm really enjoying it.
Pressed against my pillow like the aging winter sun. Only wake each morning to remember that you're gone. So I drift away again to winter I belong. I need to remember how it was to feel alive.
I love that. I really, really enjoyed every aspect of it. One of my favorite things when it comes to creative artists, musicians, is when they're not just talented musically, but they can also have something that's visually engaging and stunning. Now, whether or not she came up with this concept on her own, or she has a team of people she works with, whatever the case, no matter what, how it came to be, it adds to the song, right? So having the visuals to go along with it makes it that much better. So really enjoyed it. If you guys have suggestions of which Aurora song I should react to next, please tell me in the comments. I'm going to try to take y'all's lead on which ones I should do or what order I should react to them in. Yeah, not much more to say. I really, really enjoyed it. I think she's a amazing artist. And I know that's saying a lot, having only seen 2 songs from her so far, but I can just tell. You can get a good feel for somebody's artistry early on if they're just that good, and that's how I feel about her. I think she's amazing. So if you're new here and you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. It does help. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And so far, I haven't created a playlist of any kind for Aurora. Maybe what I'll do is once I've done 5 or 10 reactions to her, as long as they don't get any kind of copyrights, then I'll start a separate playlist specifically for Aurora. But in the meantime, if you want to check out some of my other playlists, they will be available at the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.